Hi everyone, how are you doing there? I hope everything is always doing well for you. And hello if you are new. Welcome to Kondo Creative, the channel where you can see everything about English, such as English short movie, English drama musical, English daily conversation, and English lesson.
Hi everybody, it's Mr. Dika here. Now I'm going to bring you to two beautiful waterfalls in Lombok Island, located in below Terjun village. Well, the trail is not really hard. It's easy to find this place. Look at the water, guys. Looks so green. And yeah, I arrived at the first waterfall. So beautiful place. Well, you know, I'm coming with a friend and with my wife, and we are trying to jump here. My friend will do it first. Look at that. Oh my god. Actually, now I'm so scared, guys. Really scared. But I have to do this because my friend already did that. And now my turn. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my god, it's so painful, guys, but I'm lucky I'm still safe. It's so fun. I got a lot of fun. A beautiful place to enjoy, you know. Okay, now we're going to go to the second waterfall. Okay, here you are. This is the second waterfall. Oh, it's higher. I don't think if I want to jump from the high spot. Glad we made it together. He's my best friend, actually. Look at the waterfall, guys. So magnificent. Oh my god. I want to swim here. Very fun. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to watch my next video again. See you. Bye bye.